Hey guys, so I wanted to come on here and start making reviews. I have so much crap to review. I used to do this back in college. I have a couple old videos out of like 4 years ago, but had a kid, had to stop. But now that she's ready to go to school and stuff, I can get back to having some time for myself. And I spend it filming, whatever. Anyway, I found this brand called Bakerie. I saw it actually on Fashion Nova. I was just looking through their makeup, and it was just there. I was like, what is this? Because I like this more muted purple type colors. But it's a black-owned company. It's actually the brand, I don't know if you've ever seen it on Instagram, when you see like the swatches up the arm and they're like running it underwater and putting soap and scrubbing and it's still not coming off. That's this brand. And yes, it does stay that well.
Mom,
okay, look.
I took the bike.
Sorry if the video keeps like jumping. It's my daughter interrupting, but whatever. This color is called Raspberry Tiramisu. I got it on Fashion Nova. It retails for $20, but if you use code SHIP30, you can get it for $12.99 and free shipping. That's why I was like, I don't really like spending full price on anything, so whatever. But this is the color. It's really nice. It stays on nice and long. It is a bit difficult to get off. I use coconut oil and a lip brush to scrub it off, but it's very annoying to get off. And
Mom, I took 4 bites.
Keep going.
And 5, Mommy.
Oh, okay, keep going. 5 more. Yeah, when you're taking it off, it's kind of annoying. But when you're putting it on, if you make a mistake, try to fix it right away, because once it's on, it's on. It's not going anywhere. The only thing, like this, it's dry right now, but I don't know if you can see, like, you see my lips kind of like sticking together. Like they're not like sticky so that when you talk it's annoying, but if you like purposely press your lips together, then you'll feel it sticking. But I think that's mostly because of the formula. It's a moisturizing formula. So wait a minute, Minnie. I'm done. Okay.
How many more?
2 more. But be quiet until I'm done, okay?
Okay, I'll show you when I'm done 10 bites, okay?
Okay, thanks. So yeah, what was I even saying? Okay, the formula is, it's not like dry, like if you think Jeffree Star's dry or ColourPop dry. It's not that dry, but it's very comfortable. I don't feel like my lips are gonna crack or crumble off like ColourPop's would. It's very, but I guess that's why it does. It's sort of sticky, but it's sticking to each other. Like,
Mom,
you see that, but
I took 10
it's
bites.
not. That's a scar. It's not. It's not.
10 bites.
Awesome, babe.
How can I come over?
Not yet. I'm almost done. Then you can come over. She wants to say that. I guess anytime I'm on the camera, I like talk to other people. That's why she's like, I need to go to I. Who are you talking to? Good job. We'll work on that later. Ooh, use your markers to color something on it. Okay, but they have this. They have 4 other colors on the site. I mean, you can always go to Bakerie and get it there. But if you go to Fashion Nova, you can use and get 30% off plus free shipping. So you can just try one out if you want. That's it. It's, where's the lens? Raspberry Tiramisu. It comes in this cute little, I guess, supposed to be whipped, because it's called a lip whip. Little whipped tube. Yeah, I like it. You should go try it. Fashion Nova, they call this color a wine, actually. But it's cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free, all that stuff. It's made in the USA, too. It's made in here, in America. But, I mean, that's kind of random, but hey, if you're into that type of stuff and want more local products, yeah. Alright, guys, so I'll probably be back on and do a couple more other shades. Hold on. That I picked up. Come on, man. Come on over.
Yay!
Alright, guys. So, definitely subscribe. I'll be uploading more videos. You can check out some of my old videos, but they're like, I don't I mean, this one isn't like all that or anything, but I'm just getting started, obviously, so I have a lot to learn and stuff like that. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye. Say bye. Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Oh, okay. We'll film a whole video just on you, okay? With your quinoa all over your face?
Yes.
Alright. Bye.
Bye.
No, they want you to be happy. They don't want to come watch you if you're acting sad.
But I am sad.
Why?
Because I don't want to just leave without them. I don't want to leave.
We're not leaving anywhere.
No, I don't mean us. I mean, I'm going.
Oh, well, that's just for this video. We have a lot more to film, so...
No, but am I late so long?
It's gonna take so long. We'll film another